You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn and have a look how to pronounce those words, this word and the plural of the word, a word from anatomy. For more vocabulary in English, stay tuned to the channel, got tons coming up for you. The top word, which is the singular, this is the organ that you use for hearing. In British English, the pronunciation is as ear. Ear. A short E sound and a schwa sound. Ear. That's the British English pronunciation. In the UK, the R is often not pronounced. Ear. In American English, the pronunciation is as ear. Ear. Now, to the plural. To get to the plural, you just add a Z sound or a Z sound, a Z, not an S sound. So in British English, it's ears, ears, okay, ears. American English pronounces it as ears, ears, okay. So British English pronunciation, ear and ears. American English, ear versus ears. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.